how are you? Welcome back to Aparna's Home TV, your one-stop destination for your everyday life. In today's video, I got you another very yummy Hyderabadi dish, chicken Haleem. You don't have to go outside to eat Haleem anymore. You can make yours easily at home. Very easy to make. Do try it and let me know how it turned out. There are so many lunch recipes available on my channel. If you didn't get a chance to look at it, link will be in the description box below. Please do check it out and try and share it with me if you like the recipes or not. Thank you so much for watching this video. Now let's go on to the recipe and make this yummy chicken Haleem. Let's look at the ingredients we need to make this chicken Haleem. Moong dal, urad dal, this is suji. You can use wheat suji if you have it, that is more healthier option, and ginger garlic paste, oats, half of this onion, few green chilies, and this has lemon in it, lime, chana dal, tur dal, oil, rice, and I took 1.5 chicken breast. That's more than enough. It makes huge quantity, so don't take more than, when you're trying for the first time, use only 1 chicken breast. That should be good enough. So let's first marinate the chicken, and then we'll add we need to grind powder. So I'll show you what you need to grind powders and make this chicken Haleem. We also need whole garam masala, dhania powder, chili powder, salt to taste, and turmeric powder. So let's first marinate the chicken. So let's add all our ingredients to our chicken. We are going to first start with 1 big tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. This should be good enough. And next goes in our chili powder. Adjust chili powder according to your taste. I'm adding around 2 teaspoons. We like our non-veg a little bit spicy, so 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. You can adjust the salt quantity later, but if it's more, you can't do anything about it, so adjust accordingly. Few tablespoons of oil. That should be good enough. And next, not the least ingredient, but the last ingredient that goes into the chicken is lime. 2/4 should be good enough, as the quantity is very little. I'm adding 2 quarters of lime. Now we'll mix it nicely and keep it aside for at least 20 to 30 minutes. So in the meantime, we'll prepare our dry masala powder that I will show you with the ingredients, all the ingredients that we need to make this masala powder. We'll keep this aside and make our masala powder. Now I took a big tablespoon of every ingredient we are going to add to this. 1 tablespoon of chana dal, 1 tablespoon of tur dal, 1 tablespoon of rice, 1 tablespoon of wheat flour, 1 tablespoon of oats, 1 tablespoon of rava suji, 1 tablespoon of urad dal, 1 tablespoon of moong dal. These are our dry ingredients, and we are going to add couple of whole garam masala, 2 small pieces of cinnamon, around 3 cardamom. I like nice smell in my chicken Haleem, so, and 3 or 4 cloves. These are our dry ingredients. We'll just put it in the mixie and powder it in 30 minutes. In 30 minutes, I'll show you how to make this chicken Haleem. Let's powder this and keep it ready, and we'll make our Haleem. Our masala is ready. It smells so good because of the whole spices. I cut half of the onion into small chunks. Chilies are ready. So let's get started. Oil is hot enough. We are going to add our onions. I added a little bit more oil so that it will nicely cook the chicken, as well as we need more oil for the Haleem. Around 2 tablespoons of oil I did add. So let's get this nicely browned up, and then I'll show you what to do. Onions are almost browned up. Now we are going to add our chilies. Mix it once nicely, and you can add little bit of ginger garlic paste if you want, but if you added enough in your marinade, then you don't need it. It will make it more spicier, but I am adding little bit more. Just mix it once, and now it's ready for our turmeric. We are going to add around 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. And now go in our chicken, reduce the heat all the way to the low, and add the chicken. Mix it once. Pressure cooker is a must for making Haleem. There is no other way you can cook the chicken for so long without burning it. So pressure cooker is a must. On the low heat, we'll just fry this chicken for around 3 to 4 minutes. Just keep the lid on, but don't put the pressure on. We'll just fry it for 5 minutes. It's been frying for around 3 minutes now. As you can see, it's wetting up. So keep mixing in the middle. You don't want it to burn, and keep the heat all the way to the low so that you're not burning it. Now for the last 2 minutes, we are going to add our masala powder that we made, entire batch. This is what it gives the taste of Haleem. Don't skimp on it, just add the entire thing. And now we'll slowly mix it. Keep the heat to always low, as the chicken, as this masala will burn if the heat is not low. And let it fry for a minute while we get the water ready. We'll bring in 1 cup of water to put in this. It has been frying for a minute, so we are going to add around 1 cup of water. Mix it nicely in. Make sure nothing is unmixed and all is mixed. It requires another half cup of water. So total of 1.5 cup of water. And now we are going to put the pressure on, and on low heat we'll give it 13 whistles. Yes, it requires that long to make Haleem. So keep on the low heat and give it like 13 whistles, and after 13 whistles I'll show you how it turned out. So 13 whistles came, so let's open up our cooker and we are going to mix it once. See.
Ooh, that looks good.
So this is how our chicken looks as soon as it came out. We are going to mash it up with this potato masher or anything that you have. You just need lot of hand power. Keep mixing, and you can add little bit water if it's too much thick. Add little bit water so that the mixing becomes easy. It's too much thick, I'll add little bit water and come back. I'm adding in around again half cup of water. Let's mix it up. It will become easier by adding water. We are going to completely mash the chicken and make it like thick. It takes around 5 to 10 minutes, so have some patience and slowly mash it in. I'll mash and then show you. After thorough mixing, this is how it becomes. Look how nicely chicken is mashed up and it becomes grains like structure, and your Haleem is almost ready. Look, one and a half recipe is almost made 3/4 cooker size of Haleem, so be careful about how much quantity you are making. Now we'll put in our tadka. I'm going to use half of this onion cut into thin strips, and then we'll put it our tadka. So let's do that. So I'm heating up a big tablespoon of oil. I'm going to add in my sliced onions. Half onion is gone into this. I'll brown it up and then show you. Just keep frying and it will turn brown. Our fried onion is almost ready. We are not going to take the oil out. We are just going to take the onion and garnish it on top of our Haleem. I'll show you. Just top it up. And now to this remaining oil, we'll add some cashews and raisins. First we'll do cashews because oil is very hot. One handful should be good enough. Nicely fry the cashews until they are brown. As soon as they are browning, we'll add our raisins in so that they can fry together, and then we'll transfer the entire oil bowl into the Haleem. See the cashew browning up, almost browned up. So we are going to add little bit, maybe 1 tablespoon of raisins to it. As soon as they puff up, we'll transfer the entire thing to the Haleem. Yum, yum, yum. It looks nice and done, so let's transfer it. Let's transfer the entire thing . Done. And now we are going to top it off with few teaspoons of ghee. It will melt into it and give nice taste to it. So this is it for Haleem. Do try it and let me know how it turned out, if your family liked it or not. I will see you guys in my next video. If you like my videos, please do like, comment, subscribe and share. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.